Hi everyone, it's Bite-Size CG, learn 3D by taking small bites. In our last tutorial, we tried to create these three houses by using the building method and by using the extrude method. In this tutorial, we're going to further customize this last house, and we don't really need the other houses. So we're going to just hide them. We're not going to delete them. How can we hide them? We just press on the object we want to hide and we just press the shortcut key H. We do that with the other one. And how do we get them back? It's quite easy. We press Alt H and you get the objects back. You don't really delete them. So we're going to hide them and we're going to position it in the center and a bit up, and we're going to go to object mode, edit mode. How can we further customize it besides using just extrude? We're going to use a new tool which is called edge loops, and we're going to try to create two windows on this wall. So to create an edge loop that goes around the object and just divides it in two, we're going to press Ctrl R, and we're going to go near the loop, near the space where we want to add it. And if we want, we can add more edge loops by using the scroll wheel and scrolling up or down how many we want. And we're going to press, and while you press the left click mouse for the first time, you can still edit it. And if you want to hold it in the same spot you put it initially, just press escape, and now it's fixed. If you want to move it around, again we just press G 2 times, and now we can move it around, or we're going to press escape. So now you can see we have, instead of one face of this wall, we have two faces. And it's the same on the other side and on the roof. So the second tool we're going to use to create the window is going to be Inset Tool. We're going to select one face, and it just goes, if we use this tool, it just the face goes inside the other face. So, and it creates more faces that we can work around with. We just press the shortcut key I, and you see we can drag it up or down, and we press, and we can still further customize it. We're going to press scale on the Z-axis, and we'll just press G to move it up a bit. We can scale it a bit up or down. If we select both of the walls, we're going to just have one longer window. And this is, if you want one window, it's okay. If we want the two windows, we're going to use this method. We're going to do the same here. We're going to press I to inset, and we're just going to make it look like the other one. We're going to scale it on the Z-axis. We're moving it a bit up. We're just going to scale it up a bit, and we're going to position it. Now scale Z, and now it looks more or less the same. If we go to object mode, you see nothing really changed here, only a bit with the positioning here. But we're going to go to edit mode right now, and we're going to try to make it so it looks like a window. So instead, we're going to use extrude again, but instead of extruding it outwards, we're going to go inside. So we're going to extrude, and we're going to go inside a bit, just a bit. Now you can see we have the faces of the windows set, but you don't really see them. If you just move around, you can see them better. To see them easier, we're going to press N, and where you see here shading, we're going to check ambient occlusion on, and now you see the shading that it creates. So it looks like we have the windows, and you see the other shadows around. Okay, we're going to go to edit mode again. Now we're going to try another tool to create a front door here, but we're not going to use edge loops, and we're not going to use Inset, because it will create more work for us and extra geometry that we don't really need right now. Instead of that, we're going to use a knife to carve out, not really carve, we're going to cut it out so we can make our door. So to get the knife, we just press shortcut key K, and we're going to go from this side, and we're going to go all the way down to this side. We press on the other edge, and we just press enter, and now we have created a new face only on this side. We're going to create one more. K, go down, press enter. Now we have one more face, and we want our door to be shorter. We're going to press K one more time, and we're going to cut it here, and we're going to press enter. You can play around and make it as straight as possible. For this tutorial, we're going to keep it simple. I'm going to select this face. I'm going to extrude it a bit outwards. I'm going to use the Inset Tool now and make it looks like a door, and we're going to extrude it inside just a bit. And now it looks more like a door. If you go to object mode, it looks more like a door, a crooked door, but it's still quite okay. Okay, this is all for today. You can play around with the new tools that I showed you in this tutorial to create a chimney, or add as many details as you would want to the house. Thanks for watching. If you missed the last parts, there's a link in the to the playlist in the description of this video. Be sure to leave a like or a comment if you like what I'm doing. Also, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing so you don't skip a video. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks guys, see ya.